Hello student, today's tutorial class I learn about the text file in a Python, that means how read or write data into the file and from the file in Python. Now in a previous class we have also told about the how to open a file in a read mode and write mode. We have also discussed about the different types of modes and how to make a text file and a binary file. And a file is a location where we store our data in a physically manner. If we want to hard copy of our data, that we use a text file and a printable form, that is known as a output form and a hard copy. Now a program reads a text binary files from hard disk. File act like an input to a program. So, text file, a file is stored in a secondary storage memory and they has to be read a data from the Python file, Python text file, and also we have to write data into the text file. Now, first we learn about the file reading. We have three types of method for use to file reading. First is read line, second is read lines, only difference s, and another third method is read. This method these methods are used to read data from the text file in a different manner. Now then after, how to read line method. Read line methods will return a line read as a string from the file. First call to function will return, that is a first function to read first line, second function is used to second line, and third function is used to third line. That means we have to use a read line function to call the single line from the text file. That its syntax is syntax, that means format. A syntax for the read line is file object dot read line function. File object we have also discussed about this. File object is also known as a file variable, and this variable are used to interconnecting with our text file. Here is an example with text file. F is a file object and open is a function. That here this is a open function to open a notes.txt file, and also that is here x is equal to f dot read line. That means this function returns the first line of the notes.txt file, and this line is stored in a x. Then after we have read this line into the printx function, and this line are print in our screen. Okay. Now another method is read lines, that is only chase and the only plural of read line. Read line, that means entire content of the file that is needed to careful while using it, because size of memory required there before using the function. The method will return a list of string, each separated by /n. Now if our file has contained 5 lines, read line function returns a list of string, that means list in a form of string with a separation of comma. Now same syntax, as only changes are the function name, read and read line. There is a function file object dot read line, and this line is very important for us. list of string, list of string, list of string, that means they returns a list in the form of string. Now next example, for the, that is a function for the read line. Here we only changes this line, this statement, this function is change read line change into the read lines. Now then after, that is a, here here is a list of strings separated by slash n, because slash n escape sequence shows the new line escape sequence characters. Okay, is that clear? Read method, read function is return the entire data of the text file. That means if you want to read whole data from the file, we use a read method. Okay student, now we have to close our section for the reading file from the text file in a Python. In the next video, we have to introduce about the how to write data into the Python text file. That means in this chapter, in this video, we learn about the read function, read line function and read lines function. Thank you.